there, Kinder Stars. How are you? We're going to do some math today, and what we're going to do, we're just going to do our normal math stuff that we do every day. So we'll do our dot cards, and we'll do our mountain math, and I'm going to throw in some 10 frames practice because I don't want us to forget how to make 10. So let's start with our dot cards. Here we go. 2, 2, 3, 10, 4, 6, 1, 3, 10, 4, 4, 5, 5. I know you remember these. 7, 9, 10, 8, 7, 6, 9, 7, 8, 8. Good job. All right, let's move on and do some mountain math. Now, remember we used to do this in class, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you questions, and I'm going to take time, and I want you to say the answers out loud, okay? Here we go. Number 1, how many squares are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 squares. 12 squares. Now, how many of these squares are dark orange? 4. That's right. Good job. If I took away 2 of these squares, how many would be left? Yes, 10. So 10 plus 2 makes 12. Good job, guys. All right, now let's move on to number 2. It's a number line, so let's count. It's starting at 36. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. What number comes before the 37? That's right, the 36. What number comes after the 37? Yes, 38. All right, let's move on to 3. We have how many cameras? 4 cameras. That's right, there's 4 cameras. And so it says 4 is spelled F-O-U-R. So let's say that together. F-O-U-R spells 4. F-O-U-R spells 4. F-O-U-R spells 4. Good job. Now, how do we make a 4? Who remembers how to make a 4? Okay, so you just make a corner and a stick and make your 4 there. Good job. Number 4. Ooh, these are our favorite. How many dots are there? 3. 3 here. That's right, 4 here. So is 3 less than, greater than, or equal to 4? Give you a minute to think about it. That's right. 3 is less than 4. And remember, we know which symbol to use because the greater gator is going to eat which side has the most on it. He always wants to eat the most. Okay, let's look at number 5. 10 is less than, greater than, or equal to 4. Think about that. 10 is less than, greater than, or equal to 4. So you're right. 10 is greater than. And we'll choose this symbol because it's opened up to the 10. And that gator is hungry. Okay, number 6. Now, what symbol is that? Can you see? I know it's a little hard to see. That's a plus sign. Remember, a plus sign just looks like a cross or a T. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 soccer balls plus 2 more. So we're just going to count on 7, 8, 9. That's 9 soccer balls. Okay, let's go down here to number 7. We have scissors. And can you see we have 6 pairs of scissors? 6 scissors. And this symbol is a minus sign. And so 6 minus 2. So we're going to count backwards. So 6, 5, 4. So how many is that? 4. That's right. 6 minus 2 is 4. All right, let's read our problem. Jamie used 9 apples in her apple pie. 5 were green and the rest were red. How many red apples did she use? Well, if she used 9 apples and we know 5 of them were green, how many do you think are left that made red? That's right, 4. We have 4 red apples, just like it shows in the picture. Okay, let's go look at number 9. 9, we have 7 dots here and 1 dot here. So 7 plus 1 more is, that's right, that's 8. 8. What if I said 8 minus 1? 8, take away 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. What if I said 8, take away 7? How many would that be? That's right, that'd be 1. Good job. Okay, 5 plus blank equals 10. Well, we don't know what goes here. So 5 plus how many more is going to be 10? So 5, I'm going to say 5 in my head and then count to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. You guys should already know that because you're super smart. Okay, number 11. This one's going to be really hard to see because they use yellow, but it's lemon slices. And it has 1 full 10 frame, and then there are 8 more lemons over here. So if we have 1 10 and 8 ones, how many is that? That's right, it's 18. That's the number 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. All right, let's go up here to number 12. Ooh, can you see? That's a coral snake. Ooh. Think of 3 words to describe that snake. Those are good words. I would say striped, scary, and slithery. Number 13. Does anybody know what this shape is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. And what color is it? That's right. It's blue. Maybe a little bit turquoise. It's got some green in it. So our shape has 6 sides. How many corners or vertices does it have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and 6 vertices. Well, it's not a square. Think it's a hexagon? I think you may be right. Number 14. All right, guys, remember, do you see how this is a cylinder? Is this a flat shape or is it a plane shape? Is it a flat plane shape or is it a solid shape? It is a solid shape. Good job. It is a solid shape. This is a circle. Is this a flat shape or a solid shape? Flat shape. That's right, because it's just flat on the paper. It doesn't look like it's coming off the paper. It doesn't look like you could grab it and hold it. Okay, guys, what is this? That's right, it's a graph. And what does a graph do? It organizes information. And so today's graph says average temperature. And it says Echo, Tempe, and Reno. Which city has the highest average temperature? Well, if you look for the tallest bar, it said Tempe had 80-degree temperature, so they had the highest temperature. The shortest bar, is it the green bar, the blue bar, or the pink bar? It's the green bar, you're right. So Echo had the lowest temperature average. Good job. All right, our last one, number 16. Look, guys, it's 2 nickels. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Good job. So if I have 2 nickels, that means I have 5 plus 5, and that makes 10 cents. Good job. Good job. All right, now let's do some 10 frames practice, some making 10 practice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a card. And then I want you to tell me how many dots are on the card, and then how many do we need to make 10. Are you ready? How many dots are on the card? 9. How many do we need to make 10? 1. Good job. How many dots are on the card? 1. How many do we need to make 10? 9. How many dots are on the card? You know this one. How many do we need to make 10? All right. How many dots are on this card? 7. How many do we need to make 10? 3. How many dots are on this card? 5. How many do we need to make 10? 5. How many dots are on this card? 3. How many do we need to make 10? 7. How many dots are on this card? 4. How many do we need to make 10? 6. How many dots are on this card? It's a full frame. 10 dots. How many do we need to make 10? Goose egg. 0. How many dots are on this card? Yes. How many do we need to make 10? Okay. How many dots are on this card? And how many do we need to make 10? 6. Some of my cards got turned around. How many dots are on this card? That's right. And how many do I need to make 10? That's correct. How many dots are on this card? 7. And how many do I need to make 10? That's right, 3. How many dots are on this card? 2. And how many do I need to make 10? 8. Good job. How many dots are on this card? And how many do I need to make 10? 9. How many dots are on this card? Good. And how many do I need to make 10? 7. How many dots are on this card? 8. And how many do I need to make 10? 2 more. Good job. How many dots are on this card? And how many do I need to make 10? That's right. You guys are so smart. Everybody kiss your brain. Oh, smart brain. Smart brain. All right, guys. So what I want you to do today is get into your math workbook and do session 2 on lesson 19 today. And I know you guys are doing a great job. And when you get those done, have your parents snap a picture and send it to me so I know that you're getting your math work done. Don't forget, you have number cards, and what I want you to do with those is practice making different math problems. So you have a plus sign and a minus sign and an equal sign. You have a greater than and a less than sign. And so you can use those and make math problems. So you can put a 2 and then your plus sign and then a 3. And what does that make? 5. You're right. Good job, guys. I hope you are all doing well and staying safe and being healthy. And I would love to hear from y'all. So take some pictures of y'all doing your work and send them on to Miss Wendy because she sure misses you. Bye, guys.